Imagine holding a device that doesn't just represent the next step in technology, but the final destination of the smartphone as we know it. For 20 years, we've watched the iPhone evolve from a glass brick into a pocket-sized supercomputer. But in 2026, the game has changed forever. This is the year Apple stops iterating and starts dominating in a way that feels almost unfair to the competition. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most significant hardware leap in Apple's history. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And if you think you've seen it all, you are about to realize that everything you currently own is officially a relic of the past. For years, the Pro Max was simply the bigger iPhone. A larger screen, a slightly better battery, and perhaps a niche camera feature. But as we stand in the spring of 2026, the leaks from the supply chains in Shenzhen and the internal memos from Apple Park paint a much more radical picture. We are looking at the world's first 2nm processor, a mechanical variable aperture camera that functions like a professional DSLR, and an under-display Face ID system that finally gives us the all-screen dream we've been promised since 2017. But why does this matter to you right now? Why should you care about a device that hasn't even hit the shelves yet? Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the first device built from the ground up to house Apple Intelligence 2.0. This isn't just a phone with AI, it is an AI that happens to be a phone. In this video, I am going to walk you through every leaked spec, every confirmed engineering breakthrough, and the secret deep red aesthetic that is set to become the most sought-after status symbol in America. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will understand why the smartphone industry is currently in a state of absolute panic. Let's start with the brain. The A20 Pro Chip. In 2026, the numbers 2nm might sound like just another tech buzzword, but the physics behind this are staggering. For the first time, Apple and TSMC have achieved a density of transistors that was thought to be physically impossible 5 years ago. This jump from the 3nm architecture isn't just a 15% speed boost. It is a 30% jump in energy efficiency. What does that mean for you in the real world? It means that the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just a one-day phone anymore. Combined with the rumored 5,200 mAh battery, the largest ever put in an iPhone, we are looking at the first true 2-day flagship. You could fly from New York to Singapore, watch movies the whole way, take 4K video upon landing, and still have enough juice to navigate to your hotel without ever touching a charger. But the A20 Pro isn't just about endurance. It's about local intelligence. Apple is reportedly moving toward a future where Siri and the generative AI tools don't need to ping a server in North Carolina to understand your request. Everything stays on the device. Your emails, your private photos, your health data. The A20 Pro processes it all locally with a neural engine that is twice as fast as the previous generation. This is the privacy fortress Apple has been building for a decade, finally coming to fruition. In a world where every other AI company is selling your data to the highest bidder, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the only device that keeps your life inside your pocket. Now let's talk about the face. The display. For years, the dynamic island was the compromise. It was a clever way to hide the sensor